Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ACB. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis on Tuesday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. And after today's price movement, pretty much the level that I talked about ultimately did hold as resistance. So just to really clarify all this, I'm going to get these lines out of here. Just when I pulled up the chart, just too much clutter, too much lines everywhere, and I just want to make this as straightforward as possible in terms of levels to stay focused on. But one of the areas that I talked about yesterday was that red line there, and the big question going into today was, could the price break up above that level? Was the price going to be able to have enough strength to push up through that area? And we got our answer today, and no, it wasn't. The price did actually get above it this morning very, very temporarily, and then price fell back below it, and then you can see went right back to acting as resistance as the price could never quite get back above $14.50 again. Now, the good news is it's not like the price failed below it, tried to get above it, and then just totally ended up closing way down here. And the important part about that is at that point, well, now the price would have to go all the way back up there just to do battle with it. But in this situation, yeah, it failed. It fell back below it, but the price has got to travel a very, very small distance to be able to do battle once again. Now, does that mean that 1450 is for sure going to be broken? I'm not saying that. My point is that, generally speaking, it's a rational thought to have that, yeah, 1450 is still within striking distance and the price does still have a legitimate chance of pushing up through it. So continue to watch 1450. It's becoming a relatively annoying level, I'm sure, because the price just can't quite build any sort of momentum after it's through that level. But watch that. And then as far as supports are concerned, keep an eye on that pink line right there. That is the very well-known. Let me zoom down so you can see a little bit more of where it's coming from. There it is. That's the very famous, the very well-known 200 period moving average, and that's currently valued at 1350. But as of right now, the big pressing matter is still all about that 1450 mark. So we'll see if the price can maybe get the break above it on Thursday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.